One of the areas that I was tasked to work on was to work on the perception of workload in COM 110 and my other classes, and using the principles of quality matter, course design, and other elements of the HQPD that I've talked about here in this dossier. I used course alignment as a means for students to better understand why they are doing what they're doing. And I think if we take a look at the data, I've seen a decrease to the point that we're not seeing any comments about the COM 110 class having a workload issue. And similarly, when I implemented this for the COM 180 class, those comments decreased as well. So this video is just a quick one about the alignment, just to give you a glimpse of what we have here. In each one of the weekly modules, and I chose week 2 here from COM 110, see, this is how the intro page that they're given for the module. You'll see that they're immediately presented with the weekly objectives. And each one of those weekly objectives, as you can see here, is tied to some course objectives that they can click right there too. And all of those course objectives then tie to these weekly modules, and those weekly modules then tie back into the readings and the viewings, and all of those things are tied to the weekly modules as well. Similarly, those weekly module objectives are tied to the assignment objectives that are here. And so each week, every student is presented with work that is readings, viewings, and learning assessments that are all tied directly back to the weekly objectives, which tie directly back to the course. And this way, students can see how all of their work is built into those primary objectives for COM 110. And as I said, I do the same thing now with COM 180, and I'm seeing a lot of success.